thinking about ya and all the things you said that other night. I can't get you off my mind. You're giving me a glimpse of something that I can't get enough of. What are you doing tonight? Is it a bad thing that I wanna know how it feels to hold you in my arms? Because every time you look in my eyes, the feeling starts. Just you and me is what it should be. You're giving me butterflies. My heart skips a beat when you're with me. Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. You're feeling these butterflies. Somehow you find a way inside my head. I think back on all the stupid things I said, but you have this effect on me. And if we're being honest here, there's no need to pretend. We could be so much more than friends. Just you and me is what it should be. You're giving me butterflies. My heart skips a beat when you're with me. Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. You're feeling these butterflies. Butterflies. Take me back to the night that we first met. Your eyes on mine, I bite my lip. I knew that this was it. Take me back to the night that we first met. Your eyes on mine, I bite my lip. I knew that this was it. This was it. Oh baby, just you and me is what it should be.